Hi, welcome to Jen's Hobbies. This is Jen, and I am going to pierce my nose today at home. I bought a kit off of Amazon, and it comes with like 36 pieces, I believe. It comes with your clamps, your needles, and your gloves, and your cotton swabs, and your earrings for for any piercing you want on your face, I'm assuming. And this is my dog, Teeny. She is going to be watching Mommy. Oh, yes. And I am so excited this year because my son just gave me my first grandchild. She came out really perfect, and she's healthy, which we're proud of, and I'm very proud of them. So, as you can see, I got my spot marked on my nose where I want the ring, and I'm hoping it doesn't hurt. I have talked to several different people, and they all say that it didn't hurt, and I watched videos on YouTube about it, and they said it hurt a little bit whenever the needle was going in. So I'm hoping and I'm praying that it does not hurt that much if it does hurt. And so without further ado, let's put the pets down and get into it. Okay, so this is my rings, as you can see. This is what I'm going with today, and little ball. And the kit also comes with 14 gauge needles, and they also come with 14 gauge needles, and they also come with 16 gauge needles. I'm using 14 today because the 16 looked a little smaller to me. The 14 looks perfect, and these look like that at 14. So, and I don't want to hurt myself even more by using a smaller needle and trying to shove these puppies in there, because that would just be bad for everybody all the way around. And I don't want a hospital visit today. Not that I would ever get one. And my husband is doing this, and he's actually a nurse, so he knows what he's doing. And he told me, and I'm hoping this is true, but he told me that I would not be in that much pain because he would do it where I wouldn't be in that much pain. So
this may be a poor time to say this, but I lie a lot.
He actually does. So I'm going to, and this is the whole kit right here. This is the whole kit. I know you can't see everything, but there's your rings right there. There's your clamps. And then here's your gloves. I'm actually going to get the gloves out for him right now so he can start putting those on. And he did wash his hands, so I saw him wash his hands, so we're going to do that. And they're just plain black gloves. Like if you want to go to a shop to get this done, you can. They're the same gloves. I believe they're the same gloves that they wear in the shops. So, we'll let him put those on right now while he hands me the camera. So anyway, and this is my first attempt. I did have my belly ring. I didn't have my belly button pierced, but it fell out. So hopefully I will get it done soon maybe. I'm in the midst right now of actually trying to lose a little bit more weight before I get that done. I'm actually drinking tea and drinking and eating salads. I hear tea is better for you than water because it has the antioxidants that your body needs to replenish itself. And so now that he's got those on and he grabbed the phone for me, let's get started.
And here we go.